Keep watching for tutorial and transitions for this move here, the horizontal and vertical fishtail. The two components for this move are the wrist movement from one side to the other and the arm movement from one side to the other. I'm going to show you this move with my right hand holding the hoop first. Hold the outside of the hoop, thumb pointing to the sky. Begin moving the hoop from your right to your left and hinge the hoop so your palm faces you. Move the hoop with your right arm back to the left and hinge the hoop so your palm faces away from you. Practice moving your arm side to side and hinging the hoop, palm toward, palm away. Once you get this motion down, practice making the motion more fluid. Here's a view of my wrist. You can also use your left hand to move around with your right hand to create a visual effect. Let's now rotate our hand 90 degrees to learn a vertical variation of this move. The motion of the wrist is palm toward you when the arm is down and palm away from you when your arm is up. Here's a close view of my wrist doing this motion. Again, you can use your left hand to create a visual effect with this move. But that's it! And since you've got it down with your right hand, try it out with your left hand. Hold the outside of the hoop with your left hand, palm pointing towards the sky. As you move the hoop from your left to your right, hinge your wrist and the hoop so your palm faces toward you. As you move the hoop from your right to your left, hinge your wrist and the hoop so your palm faces away from you. Here's a close view of my wrist. Use your right arm to create a visual effect with this move. Woo. Now take your hoop and rotate your wrist 90 degrees. We will go over a vertical variation of this move. The motion is similar to the horizontal variation. Your wrist faces toward you as your arm is down and away from you as your arm is up. Try this motion out a few times and adding right arm movements for flair. But that's the move with your left hand. Let's now go over a few transitions using this move. The first is the horizontal fishtail into an escalator. You can enter the down escalator from the front or the back. And here's the move with my left hand. The next is fishtail into an isolation. The third is moving between fishtail and horizontal cat-eye. Hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye!